Welcome to Principles of Management and Finance, which is our second module. In this module, basically the module is a combination of two aspects: management and finance is the second aspect. In this module, basically four issues. In the first topic, we're going to look at the common forms of business organizations, particularly in the context of, in the Zimbabwean context, the most common forms, which include sole traders, sole proprietors, partnerships, and limited limited liability companies, which include the public limited and the private limited company. In the second lesson, we'll be looking at how transactions are recorded in the various books of accounts, the books of original entry, the cash book, the general ledger, the general journal, how transactions are recorded in those books. Then lesson number 3 will look at how the information recorded is analyzed, how to analyze and interpret the financial statements, because the financial statements are the ultimate result of the recordings we would have done in the various books. Then when we for analysis, we need to prepare financial statements which are then used for decision making. Then finally, we look at how a company is formed in Zimbabwe.